What a sensational day. We have thousands of families out here enjoying our 12th Eco-Living Fair. They're getting a chance to find out what they can do around their home, their school, their workplace to be more sustainable. We've got all sorts of presentations and demonstrations going inside, stall holders outside, lots of ways for people to discover what they can do.
This council is absolutely passionate about the community and they do a fantastic job doing events like this. And it's not only a community event, it's celebrating the sustainability and the ecology of the area, which is great.
We need to ensure that we put in place the policies and the practices at a federal, state and local level that ensures that we pass on a cleaner, safer environment to our kids, and that's what we're doing here today at the Eco-Living Fair.
Through our environmental levy, we use alternative energy, solar energy, biodiesel as well as wind energy. And I'm so glad I lead an environmentally conscious council that shows leadership on environmental issues.
It's been a really good day out here. A lot of people have been really excited, so it's been a good day for both us and the Randwick community to learn about energy and how we can basically reduce the impact we have on our environment.
You can see bikes everywhere, vegan food, the veggie patches, community gardens. It's great to see what Coogee has to offer.
Yeah, the atmosphere is amazing. You can see all families here, children, parents. They're just very lively. Everyone's really excited to meet. There's electric bicycles out there. There's people growing their own gardens and vegetables to try and reduce the impact on our agriculture. I love that we can all share our ideas and inspire one another to live more sustainably.
Yeah, it's been a really great day, and we've had a great time meeting different people and trying different foods, and the coffee's great. Yep. It's been a really nice day, so thanks to Randwick City Council.
Thanks, Randwick.